Hey up, nerds! How we doing? Hope you're having a good day. It is Friday on this part of the world. Neat. Ah, there you are. I see you watching me, watching you, watching me. Look at that bright light. Is that any better? No. It's my sad lamp. And it's a darker day. Professional streamer, everyone. I've got natural lighting I rely on, which is not good. However, it is consistent for the moment because it's just very cloudy, and that's it. It's not like clear skies with patches of cloud or sheets of cloud with patches of sky. What? Yeah. Okay. Waffle. I decided yesterday, continuing on from the stream, that I'm going to create that action rule set for wing leader. And for now, I've just got a tick box which just denies wingmen autonomy, which means they have to stay in formation until they get told to break an attack. Which case we just have to disable that and then tell them to break an attack, because there might be other issues like refusing. Well, they become super aggressive. You know, the AI that is not fun, that doesn't give you opportunity to have a break from them shooting you constantly and being able to get back and shoot them back while they're running away from you. Now the escorts will stay in formation, and when the leader dies, then they'll break out the formation because that is no longer applicable. That works. Yeah. Thankfully, it was a very simple code change. Didn't require much effort. Just refuse the wing leader from telling them to break an attack immediately and stop doing checks for damage. And because it's got no target, it's not going to enter evasion, because it only enters into evasion if it takes damage, too much damage, or it gets too close to whoever it is attacking and it needs to get a bit distance in. Now the idea of this is we're going to spawn some fighters, enemy fighters, and they are going to attack the player's cruiser that they're escorting. How many? Oh, also loadout. So currently, no launchers, no modules. We've only got the auto gun. And we want to see how effective they are at doing what they're going to do. We spawn them, and then get an objective. So we don't want to eliminate. We'll disarm it. Disarm and disable, maybe. The ticking the tick box for eliminate won't actually stop it from destroying it. Not clever enough to realise that while they're still trying to carry out these orders, that they could potentially end up destroying the ship at the moment. Oh, that's just a limitation that I have. We spawn these fighters, then they'll be much closer. Well, they should be. Oh, I didn't move the original spawn back. What I did. There you go. Oh, where are you going? that even right? What's up with you? And yeah, would have like broken attack, but okay. Oh, that's the actual. How are you firing off missiles when you don't have missiles? Aww. Do they have guns? No. How strange. That is what it's using this, which is equivalent of bugger all anything. Yeah, like that'll do anything. Oh, it's the face and size. What? Press launch your asset. There you go. Now we should actually see it. I mean, this is the point where we're going to need these to be able to target subsystems or sub-targets like turrets. What am I looking for? The fighter. Thank you. At least I got these ordered. Oh, that'd be wise. They're just using tier 2. Better. And spawn count 1, but spawns more than 1. Okay, let's figure that out then. We should do this, spawn the enemy fighters. Actually, not even saying it spawns as a leader, but shouldn't spawn more than 1. But it does. And it doesn't even change the name, so in fact it's still the same ship. Now you'll be like, oh, I'm too close to you, so I have to run away. Even though that equivalent distance is like, yeah, miles away. Let's see. Has to be this. Wrong one. Where? Did I just completely blink and I missed it? I've got 2 actions, which is like, no. Which is like, yes. Wow. Okay, that's no longer the issue. Let's make it a bit more useful. Or not. Don't. Yeah, don't make it more useful. What? 12. Save. There you go. Now, it's all to disarm. There you go. Disarming. Attack profiles are wrong on that. So we're choosing the structure. Now that turns back. Yeah, now they're up to do the attack profile. There you go, see. Should be the next one. Oh no, just destroys it because, you know, how far away was that? Oh, we're not even there. They just destroyed it. There's something wrong there. 12 fighters should not be able to do that. It shouldn't be anything more than an annoyance, really. Now, how on earth? They all of a sudden do loads of damage. Oh, that was a missile. A couple more missile strikes. Okay. Have I like only given it 1,000 health? It's got 33,000. That's a fair amount. What are you getting hit by? This, which is what? A small auto gun. No explosives, but we have this. 12 damage. Bloody strips. Damageable. Just when you think you've solved something, you go back to it a couple of weeks later, realizing that actually maybe you screwed something else up. Okay. So it's hit what we want it to hit. Uh, 1,536. No. What weapon is this supposed to be? Projectile, that's for certain, but why? We say we're doing this amount of damage. So we're now checking the Subsystems for any damage. No damage. Now we continue checking the main structure for damage. And then we find out that we need to do damage. And we apply no damage. Oh, this is the armor layer. And we're obviously now hitting the hull. Right, yeah. You can't damage what doesn't exist. It's already been damaged to 0. And then because it's been shooting its engine, I would expect we're going to cause damage to the engine in here. Says no, I don't want the damage. Use parent damage. Let's we have the main damage. I'm not checking substructures of substructures. Whew. Now we say let's apply some damage, and we've applied 0 damage. There's no damage there. Though I do see an issue with that. That needs to be in there. I would love to be quite easily just set a bookmark there, you know, by right clicking on it and add bookmark. You know what? Much more easier. I'll just make a note of it. Updated. Yeah. That's true. Now, what you're gonna do? Main damage, and we have 1,536 from this round. That should only do 12 damage. No, it's doing there. Let's just jump out. Excuse me. I wanna jump out. Where are we now? System checks. What? No. No. Oh, where are we now? Projectile? Yep. Right. This projectile which is a small auto gun shell. Has a ridiculous amount of damage. Why? Direct damage info. Small autogun shell. Yeah. Let's have a look. Small autogun shell. What uses you? Okay. Why? Why cracking up? Have I lost the plot? Or what? Let's see. First of all, okay, so we're using the prologue gun. What's an issue? Base gun info. Excuse me, that's not what I clicked on. So we got the extra small auto gun with a cartridge. Which is this? Which is 12. But we know that's a lie. Wait till they start firing their guns. Shouldn't take too long. Okay. Start firing. What? How? How are you an artillery gun? Hmm? We're also saying it's a cruiser, but you're not allowed. Cruiser. What the hell is firing what? It was like, oh shit, that's me. Now, is this actually right? Auto gun. Auto gun cartridge. Damage 12. See? No more than 12. Then at what point you decide, well actually, screw you, I'm gonna multiply myself by a ridiculous value. Huh? Unless I've not reset something because I'm reusing that. Could be. Here we go. First time we hit something normal. Copy that, and then this. Okay. Then next. Want to get into the method, not every single stupid little fucking flow. Decorations. So just as the values, we do reset remaining damage. Where's the bookkeeping values? Expect any of this to be an issue at all. Yeah. Let's see then. So right. Damage info dot max damage not equal to 12. And we'll find it. Stop firing! Fuck me. Okay. So now we're trying to fire something which is a large artillery shell. Where? From what? With no parents? You're having a laugh, son. Oh no, who owns you? Why would you fire anyway? Because told to hold fire. That's a bad start. Oh, I don't know, I set the owner. Number 2. Number 2. Could that be? You fired? You're not allowed to fire. Why would you fire? Turret died. Small auto gun shell. That's increased to 23.8. which it shouldn't change at all. Because we're passing it into this. Are we actually changing that value? Well, it's a reference, so you know. Getting changed somewhere else. Oh, lads, right, okay. Be right back. Oh, well, not much point putting it in, so be right back doing it. Right. Oh. back, see? I'm back. See? I'm back. Alright, why the fudge are these values getting changed over time? They should not be. Oh dear. The just value, could it be this? It's not even adjusting anything. Now it's 48. That's 48 at that point. Right, so we'll go through. We've called that. Now what are you going to be? Still 48? 96. What the fuck? You shouldn't be touching that. Has to be here. This is 48. Right, still 48. So we go into set damage. How fun. What? Oh fuck. It was damageable like it called itself. And now that is still 48, okay. Check for substructure damage, and you should not be changed at all. And then still not changed. Yep. So this is the substructure damage we're checking. What we need to do this damageable call. Right. Damage application info still 48, yeah, we got 48 damage there. So we're now applied more for some reason. Adjust max direct damage. Damage application info, so what are you changing? Adjust max damage. Oh, shoot. Why did I do that? I know what I did now. It was when I was fixing damage thing before, but I've now adjusted the max damage because I assumed this was a copy, but it's not a copy. It's the actual fucking thing. So whenever it gets calls this, then yeah, just balloon out of proportion. Great. And it only became more noticeable on this because of faster firing guns. Well, at least I know it wasn't an existing bug in the game. It's one I introduced trying to fix another bug. And all that other bug did was actually make, what was it, explosive damage worse. So it didn't reduce explosive damage, it increased it. No, it didn't. It allowed the damage to bypass to the hull from the armour. That's what it did, yeah. Oh, I'm dead as well. Yeah, because they're super guns. The more you damage something, the more power you get back to your gun. No, this is not Yuri's revenge. Right. So we're calling this is the only time we call this. Adjust the maximum direct damage. So it shouldn't change that. It should just do that. Yes. What's the most simplest way to deal with this? Yeah. I don't get it. Well, I do get it, but what happens when you have complexity? I don't know. Right, added that specifically to solve this problem that was trying to solve. Applies new max damage and updates the remaining damage so it can still be applied with the remaining damage. Will create damage inflow null and damage adjustment is non-zero value. Then I guess this is a temporary one, we just need to copy the values instead. Don't want to do that. So only just this one thing I added. So we're going to copy it every time. Shouldn't be using that value anymore, should I? Let's close down some tabs so I've got everything open that I need. And I'll get distracted by anything else. We got the damage, and then just max damage. Now, we don't want to touch that. And in here, we do that. No, it's not that, is it? Where is it? What did we call? Damage application info. Right. And when we do a set, is it? Yes. Another variable, and then that can actually work. Oh. References to max damage. But this will be like a temporary adjustment, which I hate. Absolutely hate the idea of it. This is giving me a headache. Let's see. So being clever wasn't correct. If we want to apply damage to the parent, then making an adjustment. And therefore we're going to do what we said we're going to do. We will make an adjustment. it's going to be that plus that minus that. And then if we're resetting it, then that is fine. If we're doing a reset, and that means that is also set to 0. However, that's not going to help me, is it? Because this is where it does the extra damage. Do it like that. No, cannot. It just would not work. It's looking like it has to be that way, and therefore we just have to make a copy of that. Screw you. There we go. We've got our values. We literally just made a clone of it. Then as annoying as it is. Look, there's no other way around it. Oh, I hate it so much. The whole point of scriptable objects is to make data sets smaller. But we're not, are we? Nope, we are not. So I was about, rather than doing it every bloody time, create a projectile. On there at that point, rather than doing that. That was what I thought it was, wasn't it? Just add to the damage, yes. So, take that. We do damage equals damage info, not clone. And then we actually need that. Okay. How to avoid making changes to the base damage scriptable object. Original, yeah. Yep. It's a little shitty, but it is what it is. It's just a workaround, fudge. A perfectly legal programming adjustment change to get something working. Me. And let's get this back in there. So we have a look at direct damage info to max damage. Oh, is it 12? And let's just double check I've not gone and added more shit. That doesn't actually require anything now. searchable. Direct damage agent info. Yeah, removed it. Good. Good. Witness and be amazed at my excellent programming capabilities. You could be a developer just like me too. All you have to do is open up an IDE and start writing code. Whether it works or not, it doesn't matter. You'll make it work eventually. No, yeah, I'll just stop our guns from interfering. And then when they start shooting their primary weapons, eventually we'll see whether or not the issue's been fixed or not. And it seemed to be the issue when it was actually shooting the substructure, was it? Because it hits the substructure, it might destroy the substructure, like the engine, and then it requires to do some offset of damage. What are you doing? Why are you not attacking your enemy like you was instructed to do? Are you entered into a damage evasion routine? Not be surprised. Highly irritating. So which guns are you trying to shoot? Well, it's surviving a lot longer. Are you supposed to be shooting that? I could not tell. Oh, your engine as well. That one's damaged. That one's been damaged. So you're actually trying to shoot your engine? Oh yeah. That's what you're doing, yeah. Alright, now the others have come in and somehow broke from formation when they were ordered to stay in formation. It's all gone to shit. Terrible. I wonder if something got stuck on it and it was like just constantly trying to avoid it. Oh, blow up the engine. Right, it can't blow up the engine. Because we fixed it. How far away you guys? You are 26 and you are... Hello? Let me... 24. So it looks like these are no longer obeying what I thought they were obeying. So my code didn't work, did it? No. It's... Yeah, it's still in formation. So at what point did you decide that you no longer wanted to remain in formation? So really, these fighters should just be set to disarm. Now these are actually attacking you, and you're like, what shall I do? Oh, I know what I'll do. I'll just die. I think even got... I've not even got the break point on. No wonder why that wasn't triggering. So the bug in the code could still exist. All these debug breaks I've forgotten about. Oops. Auto cannon. Okay. Right, again, that's auto cannon, not artillery, blah blah blah. Now, oh, an artillery shell again. What are you firing? Don't embarrass me, boys. Let's see you fly past. Yep. Fantastic. What's this? Artillery shell. Who's firing artillery? What's it going to be? Right, you're firing artillery at the target. Okay. And you're staying in formation still, so no idea why you broke formation last time. Other than you just wanted to show me up for some reason. Well, that was easy. Oh, don't hold back at all, you know? Yeah. Now what you're gonna do? Just die to that, yeah? Oh, hello. Just turn right into me, why don't you? Oh, lovely. I don't know, would you like kindly unwedge yourself? How have you managed to do that? Showing up my expert coding. So what have you done? You are completely wedged inside. How did that happen? I'll tell you how that happened. We don't have a simple collider around this. So it just wants to scissor. Now when you look at this heavy frigate, select that, you'll see it's got a simple collider on it around the circumference of it, so this should all be collidable. But because I've yet to finish implementing this, we've only got a detail collider. As you can see, that's how it's managed to do it, because it's now interacting with the detail collider of this one. Well, something that'll get fixed once we finish fully implementing you. Yes, because we knew a long time ago that could be an issue. Who are you shooting? Anyone? This one? Trying to shoot this? What if I help? Oops. Oh well. Bye. Okay. It's working. I don't want to disable, I'll just disarm and let's run it again. Let's see. I need to stick a timer in the game now. Or I could just use a stopwatch, you know. See, they do know how to evade to a point. They just don't know what to do when they're trying to travel forward and something's already directly in front of them. They don't realise that they need to step off the gas, maybe hit reverse to pull back so that they can dislodge themselves and then turn around. Because they are trying to turn, but they're still just keeping the foot on the accelerator. Subsequently, collateral damage on the engines. Do I have any No, I don't even have PDC capable weapons on the cruiser. Sucks to be me. Ouch. Right, they've broken attack. Why? Who said you are allowed to leave formation? Because you are still existing in the world, and therefore oh look, the fire just stuck up your bum. How unfortunate. Oops. How about if I fire a torpedo at it? Even though you're not supposed to be able to. Oh, it missed. I guess you're trying to fire torpedoes at me. Turn them in kind. How many torpedoes? Okay, weapon groups are a bit knackered. Pecked to death, yeah. Go fire at will. What will that do? Another. Get off me. Look, I'm trying to get away from you. But if you're gonna... Oh yeah. I'm gonna shoot inside me. Lucky shot. These are quite heavy weapons and they're not meant to be best taking care of the fighters, but if they get close enough then it takes care of itself. Let's please stop hanging around my rear. I have no armor on my rear. I know that. You know that. Got him. Trying to run away from you. Would you like to fly right at me? Yes, thank you. Missed. Come on, get close enough. Ugh. Yeah, sure. Oh, I have to use first person because trying to use any other view is impossible for such a large ship. Okay. Oh. That's it. We've somehow survived. I mean, look at the size of that when it gets like 300 meters away. It's like, teeny tiny. Okay. Does the autopilot work? No, it doesn't know about the different sizes of ships, so it can't adjust the camera. So many things. But then that's not a priority because it's not really meant to be a playable ship. It's meant to be there for the player to protect. Alright, ads are about to start in a few minutes in. It's also come up to 2-hour mark, so I have done for the day. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow, maybe I'll play a video game. I've been feeling shitty this week, the last few days. Coding isn't helping me, or it's making coding a lot more difficult at the moment. Thanks for watching. This has been me. My video game is on Steam. Space Combat. I need to sort my elevator pitch, like a script I can just read through and just ramble it off very professionally and enticingly. Come on, shut up music. Don't need volume because we've got music. Mute. The skip. Click mute. Stay muted. As you can see, you're flying large warships like Corvette sized hero ships in the biz, and they've got turrets, missiles, primary weapons which are gimbaled. So as long as the target's what's the relative velocity is low enough to you, you're going to hit your targets quite easily. But if they're very nimble like fighters, then they can adjust their speeds quite quickly, and therefore you'll miss them. So you need to use faster firing weapons to compensate for that, or heavier hitting weapons for slower targets. Right, I want to end before the ad break starts on Twitch, so that'll do. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.